wonder if we've been using my collage for stop motion. I guess we'll never... What the... Oh dear. I randomly have the hiccups, but how did I get them?
Well, it depends. Depends on what?
On how long he has the hiccups.
I disagree.
Me too. Well, it's not like hiccups randomly come out of nowhere. Actually, they do. Oh yeah. I'm so... Good grief.
Yeah, don't be calling yourself that.
Oh yeah.
So, what should we do? Well, like, what am I gonna do? I want to get rid of those hiccups, but I don't know how.
Well, you can always find decent cures for hiccups.
Decent cures?
Well, yeah.
So many cures to choose from.
The list is endless.
I'll say. So are you willing to give it a shot, Harry? Well, I don't know.
Don't worry. I'll help you anyway.
Yeah.
Whew. Thanks, guys. I thought I was gonna be a downer. Let's get those. Let's find out what the cures are.
Good old for you.
Okie dokie, then.
Alright, let's do this.
Good.
Onward!
Okay, but I don't know about this. So what's with the water?
Well, the first cure to hiccups is drink the whole gallon of water.
A whole gallon?
Actually, just this long mug.
Oh my, okay. Actually drew some water on me. But I guess I'm gonna oh man. Didn't work.
Dang it.
So, enjoying that pineapple? Why do I have to eat SpongeBob's house anyway? Because the second cure to hiccups is eat all the pineapple. Don't know, but didn't work either. Dang it.
Well, those birds are chirping good. Anyways, the third cure to hiccups is hold your breath for 10 seconds. Oh? Dang it. Just listen to the pretty birds.
Okay, the fourth cure for hiccups. I have no idea what it is, but I wonder. Ahmed!
What? It's the fourth cure. Scaring your hiccups away.
Well, I don't know. Oh, it didn't work.
Dang it. Oh well, I tried.
Hey, wait, where you going? Well, this is a ridiculous cure. I have blood flowing into my head. But like the fifth cure for hiccups, hanging upside down. Couldn't you at least do it? Heck no. I'm always wearing a skirt. Yeah, well, as a matter of fact, I think it's not working. Dang it! Alright, Harry. This is the sixth cure to hiccups. And what's that? Taking a bath, of course. Oh, heck no, I'm not taking a bath. Dang it, I thought it would work. Do you mind, Willie? I'm trying to poop here. Whew. Oh, Nelly. I'm not taking that bath.
Hey, Harry.
Oh. Andy, what's going on?
Well, people have been telling me about your hiccups, and just thought I could help.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you have to do?
I thought you had the hiccups.
Well, I do, don't I?
Well, I think they're gone already.
What? Oh! Yeah, the hiccups are gone.
That's right. And I think all of the 6 steps has combined into one step.
You need all 6 cures?
Yep.
Can I need the 1 cure?
Yep.
And that's the 7th cure. Woo! I thought I was gonna have hiccups forever.
Well, just try to get used to it every once in a while.
What?
Well, hiccups just comes all around the world.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
But don't worry. Hiccups will come back. You'll be ready.
Oh, yes. I salute.
What?
I don't know. Why are you holding that rod that's connected to my hand?
I don't know.
Yeah, well. Can't wait to tell the others. Woo!
Wait, Harry, wait for me.
And that was when Eddie told me that all 6 cures was 1 7th cure.
Well, that's weird.
I think it's interesting.
Yeah, right. Excuse me.
Whoa, Harry. Where'd you learn to burp like that? When he was drinking water. Totally.
Well, I was thirsty after all.
Oh. Well, I can't argue with that.
Me neither.
Me neither.
I can't.
Me too.
Guys.
Listen to Mortimer for once. Fine.
Whatever.
Oh, good grief.
So, yeah.
So your hiccups are gone now, right?
Yep, all good.
That's good. Well, I guess all's well that ends well.
Yeah, I'll say.
Agree and go!
Uh-oh. Someone else has the hiccups.
Oh, you know what that means. I'm out, bye-bye.
Hey, come back!
Eddie, come back.
Because you know you have to.
That's right. So you better get back here, Infidel. Come here, Eddie.
I'll give you $20 if you get back here.
Chat Splinter.